In this video, we'll look at how to add an additional contact to a data object with a particular relationship using the API. So what I want to do is we've got this data object here, an opportunity for Martha. Martha's the client, this contact is the sales rep. I want to add my own contact as the sales manager. So let's go and see how we would do that. You can refer to the API documentation, which is at macanta.org/docs/API. And I'm in this example going to use Zapier to send the information to Macanta. But of course, you might use your own script or fire it from a different tool or piece of software. As long as it's the right format, then Macanta plays nice. So the first thing we need is the URL we're going to send it to. So I get most of that from my application. So if I just select that, and then it is REST v1/it. And the payload type we want as JSON. And then what we're going to need is our API key. We're going to need the contact ID of the contact I want to connect. I'm going to need what's called the CD_GUID, which is the unique identifier of the data object. I need to know what type it is, so that is connected group. Then I need to know what relationship do I want to connect it with. Connected relationship. I type the whole word. So API key we're going to get out of the app under admin, data tools, API, and I can copy that from there. Contact ID, you would query via the email address. However, you know which contact it is. I know my contact ID in this app is 1. The CDGUID, again, you can refer to the API documentation on how to query data objects, but I'll show you manually where it is, and it's this value here that we want. I'm going to use that there, get rid of the spaces. Connected group is whatever your tab is on the left, so in this case it's opportunities. And connected relationship is what's available in your app. So I know we have Sales Manager as a role in this app. And of course, you set your relationships as you need them. So at the moment, we've got our item here, and we've got Martha as the client and this contact as the sales rep. So when I run and test this, we should get another contact as the sales manager. So let me retest that. We get the green light. And if I go back in here, we can see something has changed. The yellow highlight tells me that. Let me just refresh. And when we go and have a look, there we go. I've been added as the sales manager. Martha's the client. This contact's the sales rep. So that's how you add an additional contact with a relationship to an existing data object via the API.